Would devils really be inside a school?
This is the biggest school in Tokyo. Supposedly, devils sometimes live in the unused classrooms.
Huh. Oh, we never introduced ourselves. I'm Yuko. I'm super into Chainsaw Man lately.
I'm Yoshida. Chainsaw Man's great, right? I like him too.
Asa Mitaka.
This sucks! Why did I have to get teamed up with him? Awkward much? I wanna bail! I'm not the one who asked him out!
Do you like Chainsaw Man also?
Can't time move any faster?
Like as much as the average person. They're from my class.
She has some nerve trying to get a boyfriend so soon after what she did.
Shh, she can totally hear you.
What's up with them?
Beats me.
I just remembered something I have to do.
Huh?
Huh?
What's wrong?
I just remembered I have something to do. I gotta go.
Hey, wait, Asa, wait. What's wrong? Are you okay? Oh, yikes. That's raw meat.
I'm fine.
What? Are you sure about that?
I'm fine.
Hey!
I'm fine. Everything's fine. Don't walk shoeless. Our feet hurt. Bullying is a commonality in communities without social fluidity, both human and devil. Shall I take care of it for you? I said I'm fine.
You are not fine! Yep, going shoeless hurts alright. Here, Asa, I'll lend you one of my shoes. If you wear only one shoe, only one of your feet will hurt.
What? No, seriously, I'm fine. I mean, I don't need it.
Then give it back to me.
Huh?
Come on, give it back.
Wait, your shoe? Are you kidding me? What's with this?
Hey! Wait!
Ow, ow,
Hey!
ow, ow, ow.
Wait!
Phew. This is my house. Want to come in?
No thanks.
Here, take the other one. I have extra. Now both your feet will be protected on your way home.
No, I don't need your shoes.
Then sell them. If they won't sell, you can just throw them away.
Shall we go sell those? Are you an idiot?